How to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. So once you have updated your Snapchat app, simply open it and then let me show you first what is the difference between sending a snap from your camera roll and sending a normal snap. So like this one, I'll just send a normal snap right here and just send it first. So as you can see, a normal snap looks like this one. However, a snap from camera roll looks like this one. So you go back to your camera right here, go to effects, and then swipe up so that you may be able to see the other effects. So right here, then simply search for upload, and then I'd like you to click on the upload filter by Munir Haskell, which is this one. So whenever you choose this filter, it will then let you choose a photo from your camera roll. So you may choose a photo. You may also click on the plus button right here, and then you may be able to see all of your photos on your camera roll. And then click on the button right here, and you may add text, scribbles, your stickers, cut out or crop, and then many more. So click on send to once you're done and choose the um, recipient that you want. So click on it, click on send, and then let's go back to that group chat. Just go back. And then as you can see, it has been delivered as a normal snap. So, so that's it. That's how you can send a snap from camera roll as a normal snap.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.